Hi friends, welcome to Bella's Stitchery. What is better than making a scrapbook page? Making a scrapbook page you can hang or give away. So today is all about off the page ideas. I'm going to show you one which is using embroidery hoops to frame your scrapbook layouts. I love making on the wall scrapbook pages. So what I'm going to be using today is fabric paper. How great is this? Now this is from Amy Tangerine, and I bought these years ago and I can't seem to find them online, so they may not still be sold. So I figured I'd give some away. So we're going to also have a giveaway today. What you'll need to do to enter to win, leave your comments here and on my Bella Stitchery Facebook page. I will post this YouTube video. I'll pin it to the top of the page so you'll see it as soon as you go into my Facebook page. Leave your comment, tag your friends. I will announce 2 different winners on Monday, March 15th. US entries only, please, but I will ship those out to you then on Tuesday. So what we're going to do is, I love these. I wish I bought more. I actually just found them in my stash today. So these are paper backed. So I'm going to peel this up here and remove the paper backing. So if you wanted to use this as a traditional layout, you can and just leave the paper backing. But since I'm going to be framing this, I thought it'd be easier to just take it off. I'm going to also be working with an 8-inch frame today. I have various sizes because I just love them. I just love having hoop frames. And I think I'm going to use the center of this page and maybe fussy cut some of the details here. So let's cut those out. I have never used this before, but I had a couple different prints that I had purchased. I don't even know where I found these. It's been years, but what a cool idea. Now, one other thing is I noticed Tim Holtz sells a lot of his paper prints as fabric options, and I love his style. So I will put some links down below for some Tim Holtz paper. Fabric, if you want to try this with some really cool prints. But yes, you can use regular fabric too. I'm just gonna cut that all the way down. This cuts just like kind of a thicker fabric, almost like what I print in my eBay shop. I offer fabric prints, and they're very, very similar consistency. So it's almost a little bit of a stiffer fabric, and mine are also backed with the paper. I just peel them off before shipping, but it does remind me of this process. So if you want custom fabric prints, message me either here, Facebook, Instagram, email. I could also custom print anything for you. You could even print your photos on fabric. So let's do that. And I might want this typewriter too. I got this idea because this weekend was my dad's birthday and I made him a canvas scrapbook page, which you can see now on my Instagram and Facebook pages. And I used, I think it was like a 20 by 10. It was an oversized canvas. And it turned out so cute that I thought I should probably do a video with some alternatives to traditional scrapbooking because it's fun. And it's always nice to have gift ideas, especially for parents or family members. And if your parents are like mine, they're very hard to shop for because they just already have the things they want. So I'm like, here's a plant, I guess. I don't know. It's hard to shop for parents, I think. Okay, so I've die cut out my little goodies, and then I'm just going to center my fabric where I want it. And if you've ever dealt with hoop frames and fabric before, you may be already familiar with this process. But I'm just going to do that. In fact, I'm not going to put it through yet. Let me grab some lace too. Okay, I'm going to add some lace for fun. I feel like on the wall scrapbooking is all about texture. So I'm going to do this here. This is a glue gun, by the way, I just reviewed. If you want to check this out, you can unplug it and use it unplugged, which is kind of nice. If you want to see the unboxing video. Check that out. And I'm going to cut my lace here. Now I'm going to put it through the hoop. So you just want to open your hoop as much as possible because, you know, this can get bulky, especially if you're using a lot of trims and ribbons. Kind of center it here. This is not a difficult process, but it's really not very graceful to watch. So, you know, just warning. I'm not a graceful person anyway. And some things that take like, you know, 2 hands are just really hard to video in a graceful way. Let me put this through a little bit. So let's center like that. There we go. And then you pick it up, tighten your screw at the top, and then pull your fabric out as you go just to kind of tighten that all the way around. It's already cute, right? It's kind of already cute. You could just do this and put somebody's name or like family or something on there if you don't want to use photos, but I like making scrapbook pages. Okay, so once that's pretty tight, what I'm going to do is trim the extra. Just right up to the hoop. And what I like to do, people finish these in all different ways. What I traditionally do is use my hot glue all the way around on the back so that this won't accidentally get pulled back through, because then it would be really difficult to get this back in the hoop. Not that that's happened to me, luckily, but you know, things happen, especially if you're in a house with children. They love hoop art, at least my kids do, and sometimes they're like to really handle these things when they look at them. So I like to make sure that this is secure. So what I usually do, and I'll do this at the end because I don't want to put a sticky glue hoop down, but I'll just run my hot glue gun all the way along like that. Okay, and that just makes it so that it's not likely to come back through. Okay, let me just smooth that down so it's not super hot. Okay, so the next step is we get our photo. These are my children, and I already double matted this. This is about a 3.5 by 5 inch size. Kind of get an idea where I want it, and now I'm going to play with my other embellishments. See where I want to put those. Actually, I might just cut this. The collage side of things is always my favorite. So I'm thinking about like this. Cut a little bit more of this. What is your favorite thing about scrapbooking or card making? Will you comment below? Is it this part of it, like putting them all together? Is it just buying pretty things? Also a great answer. So I'm thinking something like this. And I also have these cute little embroidered flowers. How cute is that? I got these on Amazon too. I'll put a link. And I love this because, again, I want like texture on a page like this. I feel like it adds a lot. Might put it down there. And you can even go off your hoop, because it doesn't have to fit in any kind of frame or scrapbook. You can use this however you want. So I'm just kind of going to play with, gosh, I don't know. Let's see. Let me give it my title here. So I die cut a together phrase from my Sizzix here. Let's see where I want that. I kind of like it at the bottom. Kind of like it at the bottom there. And I think for this, I'm going to use art glitter glue, just because, you know, as you know, hot glue is a little bit tricky with super small areas like this. So I'm just going to use a little bit of art glitter glue, and art glitter glue sticks to basically everything. So it should be great for fabric too. Put a little bit of dabs and dots there. I'm going to put this here. I think I'm going to put it slightly over my picture, which means I guess I should commit to my picture. So I'm going to put the picture down too here. For this, I'll use the hot glue as well. There we go. Press it from the back a little bit there. And then put my together on there. Whoops. See what I'm saying? I'm not that graceful, so let it give you confidence that you could do this project very easily because, you know, I'm kind of fumbly, especially on camera. I like to pretend that I'm not this fumbly in real life. Maybe I am, but for sure on camera. Okay, so here's that. Now, let's see about those areas again. Man, it's so hard. There's so many cute things. Okay. Trying to think if I want it on this side. No, I definitely like it on the other side. I kind of like it coming off the, what do you think? Coming off the hoop? Because again, dimension, it's all about dimension. So I'm going to add a little dab of glue there. Cute! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Put another one here. Just watch your fingers when you use crocheted flowers because, ooh, don't I know. Okay, I'm going to cut this one in half and tuck it because I want to use it, but I don't want to take up most of the picture there. I'm just going to tuck it underneath here so it looks like two. Haha, the tricks of the trade. And then where's the other thing we cut out? Oh, here. I'm trying to decide if this works or not. What do you think? You can't tell me, this is already recorded, but I like asking your opinions. I don't know. Maybe too much. What do you think? So I'm going to put some buttons on these. Let's open up the buttons. And let's go with a green maybe. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, that's happy. This is very happy. And it makes me happy. And let's go with a tiny ivory one inside this. I like it. And because this hoop is 8.5 inches, you really don't need a ton of stuff to make it look adorable because your photo takes up most of the space. What do you think? I kind of love it. It's simpler. It's more simple than some of the things I do, but I just really like this color palette and I like this style and I was excited to work with fabric and scrapbooking. Those are two of my favorite things anyways. So again, I'll put these up for grabs on social media. If you're interested, let me know. Hey, here's my name. Tag your friends, share with your friends too, and I'll announce that on Monday. And let me know what you think about this project idea. Have you done something similar? Have you used canvases? What's the most creative way you have incorporated your scrapbooking into kind of a non-traditional craft? I would love to hear what you've done. Maybe I could come up with some more ideas, or if you have any suggestions of things you'd like to see, let me know that too. Check it out, try it out, let's make some stuff. Bye!